Hi, this is Gerry Lewy. I'm going to be introducing you now to gravers and what this remarkable little graver, high-speed steel number 2 onglet graver can do. Here it is in its natural style you buy from a tool supplier, with an on-ground point with a yellow tang, and I shape it into a graver as you can see here. Now what can it do? Well, this one graver produced this little azure cut from a little piece of raw silver, and now is what you can achieve with this one graver. How close can I get to this little plate of silver with cubics in it? And this is what I've achieved with one small graver. It's phenomenal. I'm going to show you some other kinds of settings in a few moments with the next video. And all this was done with one simple graver. Anybody can do it too. Now, why is this called an azure? Underneath every hole there is a little pattern cut out by hand, either with a graver or with a saw blade. I wanted to do something a bit different. I did it by hand, and you could see all their individual bright cuts, and we're using a rough cutting tool. I used either a number 1 onglet or number 2. In this particular kind of cutting, I used primarily a number 1 to cut all the little squares. They're not 100%, but it's the close I could do with what I was working with. And all that came from us was a simple little onglet graver. In the next moment, I'm going to be cutting off the video and show you some other kinds of bright cutting. Let me just go and get close with this just bought this new camera, and I'm just showing how close I'm getting. And all this can be achieved with 1 or 2 gravers. Phenomenal.